a traditional one.
Where'd that come from?
Let's see, which one should we do? Connor decided to do a Perry Como Christmas smashing.
Connor, go smash it.
Just a minute, Evelyn. Will you pick that Charlie Brown one up, Connor, on the floor? Watch your head.
Okay. Stand back. No.
Push play.
It's CD first.
It's on. It's on.
I need to get to 5.
Oh, 5's your favorite?
Yep, that's my favorite.
Okay.
We gotta wait till it gets home.
Tink, tink, tink.
And don't hit each other.
Connor gets the first hit. 1 hit, Connor. Whoa! Okay, Liam's next. Whoa, Connor's next. Okay, Liam, you're next. Woo! That's it, you're gonna break my tile. No more, no more. Okay, that's it. Okay, no, put it, no, you're gonna break my tile, Connor. Connor, put the hammer up now. Alright, sit down there beside it. Sit down there. No, there's broken stuff down there, no. Everybody get down there. Say cheese with a broken thing. Tear into it. Look up here, guys. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yo! Merry Christmas, yeah!
All right.